guys didn't think I forgot about you, but as you can see, I am not exiting my regular garage. Yes, I have moved, and getting ready, or actually not getting ready, I'm on my way to work. First day physically on the job. Technically I've already started, but today will be my first day visit there. Not first day visit, I've actually came and visited before, but yeah. Yeah, and as you can see here, I have moved into an apartment. Such is life. Yeah, I've moved into an apartment with my family. And it is what it is. Because life's been a little crazy these past couple of years. And I think I will reveal my new location. There's the daughter's cars. One lifted Subaru, one standard height Subaru, both 2003 year model Subarus. I think they'll be quite fitting to this area. Oh, so nice to have the baby alive. Navigating my way the first time this way, so we're just kind of checking it out. I probably could have came out that way. Thank you, Google Maps, for being so intelligent. But hey, I'm laying down new tracks, so might as well get the lay of the land here. Alright, it says left at Briargate. Oh. Come on, baby. Let's go. All these tourists from out of town. Alright, I'm gonna, as I get closer to the front door, I will clip you back in and reveal my new location and where I'm going to go to work. Alright, talk to you in a minute. Give you a quick little background. Talking to my buddy Joel. He does a bunch of online social properties. He manages them for different folks. Does Forlow magazine. Anyhow, I've known him since back in my Axial days, and he and I got to talking. He said he had this client. I thought the client was in California, but he was like, yeah, they're super busy. They can't send him the photos and stuff that he needs for you know, to do the social stuff and everything. And I'm like, well, they're Toyota guys, you know, like we gotta stay on that. Can't let Toyota guys go away. And I was like, these rigs are too valuable and stuff. And then says like, well, set me up with it, man. Like, I don't want you to lose the client. Like, let's try to make this thing work. And then he told me where they were, and I'm like, what the heck? I'm actually trying to get there. And first thing led to another, and then next thing you know, I'm on the airplane with my wife. We come check it out. Well, actually before that, I just straight cold called the dude and said, hey man, I heard you were offering Joel a position wanted to know if that still stands. And I even clean bathrooms. Like, I'm not prejudiced or scared. Like, I just need to get back in the game. And my wife and I were kind of like, we wanted to do this thing. So yeah, man, popped out here. It was only going to be like 3 days, and then it wound up turning into a whole week. And part of the reason why I'm in an apartment now is because we was going to try to buy a home here, but it just wasn't in the cards so quick, so fast. And then I was talking to my tax guy, and he's like, you better not be buying a home right now. It's like, homes are too dang expensive. It's like, you need to wait. So I guess that mentally made it okay. And then yeah, so went back home like within a week. Well, we were actually trying to buy the home. Fell through. Apparently I don't have enough work history these last 2 years. You know, this whole COVID thing, and then, you know, me leaving Axial and not having an official job and yada yada yada. It wound up hurting me. I mean, I got like 67% of the down payment, and that didn't matter. They wanted to see work history. So it's like, alright, well, I guess we're gonna be renting, because that house fell through. And then within the week we had to like literally find an apartment online, sight unseen. And it's like, alright, we'll make the sacrifice, we'll do that for 6 months, hopefully a house thing will come up, yada yada yada. One thing led to another, and it's what it is. So here we are on the block. Where's this joint at? Right here at the tree. I remember the tree. Luxury Car Cosmetics. Welcome to my new work action. Not really. I'm gonna park under the tree. Alright, so here it is, folks. That's the Bossy's rig right there. Alright.